Hey guys, so we're having a Friendsgiving. What's today's date? Today is, what's today's date? I can't see it. Okay, today's November 21st. It's a Saturday. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and Tanisha has me up early because I would be in the bed sleeping. And we are getting ready for Friendsgiving. You want to say hi?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Hi.
She is gonna be, we're gonna look fabulous later. Right now, we're gonna prep all the food. We have some cupcakes and some deviled eggs that's made. So we're gonna, yeah, that's it. We're gonna get ready to prep the food. It's gonna be a nice spread out. I'm gonna take you guys along the prepping process, the getting ready. I'm gonna show y'all like what we're gonna wear and stuff. And then it's gonna be a part 2 vlog that you're gonna see like the actual festivities, what's happening, how everything looks spread out. So stay tuned. And then once we set everything up in the kitchen, we're gonna do like a little kitchen reveal to this luxury kitchen. Oh, or I should make another video. My luxury kitchen. Actually, no, that's gonna be the next video. It's gonna be my luxury kitchen. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna come back in a couple of seconds. Alright guys, we are finally, well, we're not finally, but we're at Target real quick to pick up some last minute stuff. So let's see. It is so crowded. Do y'all see this? Hold on. Look how crowded it is. And I feel like with Target, they don't be having stuff. When they be crowded like this, it don't be nothing in there. Cross our fingers we could get everything. I really want a Pizza Hut pizza. Hopefully that Pizza Hut is open because I really have a taste for that pizza, even though it's like 12 o'clock. I want a Pizza Hut pizza. I want a chai tea, which is like my favorite from Starbucks. I need to get the stuff off the list. Hopefully they have Christmas pajamas, which I doubt. So yeah, let's see if this is a successful Target run. Look at my eyebrows, they have no shape. Guys, guess what? I just found the Christmas pajamas. These are not what I wanted for my Vlogmas intro, but this is gonna have to do. So far so good. Look at the festive socks, y'all. I have these Santa Claus socks. Where are they? I can't even get by. Why would I put the cart this way? Hold on.
I might just get boom.
These are the socks. These ones. This is so cute. Oh, I'm dropping it.
Iced chai tea.
Iced chai tea. Get a tall. And add the flavor. I think it comes with 3 though, but I put 4 in mine. 4 pumps of vanilla, cold foam.
Vanilla syrup.
Okay guys, so we finished at Target. I wanted to vlog in that Target, but I only do little bits and pieces. It was so packed in that Target, which I'm not surprised because today's Saturday, so that's the day like a lot of people go to Target, they go shopping. So we went to Target, so now we're at Starbucks. We're gonna get some Starbucks. I'm having him try my favorite drink, the chai tea latte. I'm pretty sure everybody's heard about it because it's all over like TikTok, Instagram. It's so popular. But what you get an iced chai tea. I don't like a lot of ice, so I get mine like light on the ice. We get iced chai tea. You get like four pumps of syrup, of vanilla syrup. Sometimes I think I did 6 one time though. It was real sweet that day. But yeah, you really get like 3 to 4 pumps of the syrup. Then you're gonna get cold foam cream, and then you're gonna get the pumpkin like what is that under the pumpkin thing?
I get it.
Wait, you got it.
In the toppings.
Yeah, I think it's on the toppings too, and you get the pumpkin like sprinkled on top of it. It's so good. I thought I would never like a chai tea a day in my life, but it is so good. It doesn't even taste like tea. It's a good alternative if you want coffee but you don't want to drink coffee. It's really good. So yeah, we're at Starbucks, and then after that we need to go to the liquor store and get this stuff to make these drinks, and then back into the house to finish eating. And I got that Pizza Hut pizza. Pizza Hut was open in Target. I was so happy with it. It was so good. So good. But yeah, that's it. I'm trying to figure out how much with my hair. I think I'm gonna add some baby hairs. I need to fix my frontal, y'all. Look at this. My frontal is like, I need to just wipe it down and like adjust it a little bit. My frontal kind of shifted. The good thing about curly hair is you can honestly just brush it and wet it, and then that's it. You don't gotta do your hair. So curly hair is always a plus. So yeah, that's it. Oh, you should show your reaction on my vlog when you drink it. I think they would love to see. I'm telling you, everybody who I put onto this drink, they liked it. Nobody has said it's nasty, so you will be the first person to say it's nasty if you don't like it.
I don't like a lot of things.
I put on to Renee and she's like, I'm not gonna like it. I'm like, trust me, you're gonna like it. But I'm picky and I don't like a lot of stuff, so I think I'm a good person to put on the things because I don't like a lot of stuff. It's really good.
146. Oh my god.
What, it'll be ready?
Yeah.
Oh, it tells you when it's ready?
Yeah.
Shake Shack did that to me. I said, not my Starbucks. This drink was so popular that the Target in the mall didn't even have it. The Target in the mall, that made no sense. The Target, Starbucks didn't even have it. How do you find your receipt? My Starbucks app is just like not working. But yeah, y'all, that's it. I'm tired. And this setting is washing me out. Let me adjust it a little bit. There we go. I was looking really white. But yeah, we're gonna wait for our stuff and we'll come back again.
Nah. Chris gonna break that thing.
Y'all, this, I had to come on here and talk about the chai. The chai is so freaking good. If you haven't had it, make sure y'all get the chai tea. It's so good. I can have one like every single day. It's so refreshing but creamy. It's just so good. Chai tea, y'all. It's super good. So yeah, that's it. Now we gotta get these drinks and that's all. All right, y'all, so it's 5:42. Let me show y'all what's been done so far. Let's see what Chef T made in the kitchen. Fire. What kind of shrimp is this? Mango shrimp. That's mango shrimp. So this is seasoned rice right here.
Yes, this is the vegetable rice.
It's really good. So this is gonna go with the mango shrimp, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is with the mango shrimp. What else? We're frying some chicken to make some boneless wings.
Garlic.
Wait, what's this first?
Mashed potatoes.
Okay, Chef T made mashed potatoes.
This is the garlic sesame salmon.
This smells really good. Look at that, y'all.
Escavish fish.
Escavish fish.
Rastafasa jerk wings.
Okay.
Beef chow mein. And that's it.
All right, and the drinks and stuff is coming soon. Oh, we just have some cupcakes over here.
Oh, that's it, right? Oh, I want to give her a piece of salmon.
And then we have like banana pudding and that's it. Everything else is coming soon. Alright, y'all, so I'm finally ready. Look at this. I got a little stain, but that's okay. Nobody's gonna see that. That's me. So I'm not gonna show y'all any of the food, and this is probably gonna be a one-part vlog because I've been a horrible vlogger today. So yeah, we missed everything. I wanted to show y'all how it looked plated, but I took forever to get ready, so it didn't happen. But I'm gonna keep y'all posted. I'm gonna let y'all know if anything exciting happened. You guys will be seeing it, okay?
We're the music.
fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause